So now let's read the trend of the chart. So for that I have taken Apple Inc. company. Now if you see a 5-minute chart and you are a scalper, so I have selected a 5-minute chart, then definitely you can see that it has made higher highs, and the chart is going towards upside direction. So it's showing an upward trend. But what if you don't use the 5-minute chart? Let's suppose you use 1-day chart and you are a positional trader. So if you see that you are a positional trader, then the market is showing again an upside trend. You will say it was down and that in increases, then it was down. But this is making higher highs again and again, and there was some correction, and after the correction it has increased again, and there is a downfall, and definitely it will go again back upside. So this is also showing an upward trend. But what if you are a long-term investor? So if you are a long-term investor, you can choose 1 week or 1 month chart, and if you see 1 month chart, then definitely you will see that initially it has created higher highs, because higher highs means it has increased, it has gone down, but it has increased more, and gone down, but it has increased more. So these are creating higher highs, and definitely in long term this share is showing a upward trend. Let's try to read the Facebook incorporation chart. So if I talk about the Facebook chart and you are a scalper, then you can easily see that in the coming time this is showing a direction, but its direction is not that much clear, because you can see it has gone down and it has gone then down and then it has gone up and up. So this chart at the moment is not giving any particular indication. But let's suppose you are a positional trader and it's a 15-minute chart. Then in the case of 15-minute chart, definitely you can see that it has increased, then it has decreased, and then increase was lower than the decrease, and then decrease, and then increase, and then decrease. As you can see here, the corresponding extra increase is always less than the earlier increase. So it's giving a downside trend when you are using a 15-minute chart. But what if you are a you choose 1-day chart? So if you choose 1-day chart and you are an overnight investor, then definitely it has made again higher highs, and definitely it's increasing. So you can take your judgment based upon these things. Now let's finally read the Tesla Inc. chart. You are an technical analyst and you want to study this company, then you can, let's suppose, select 15-minute chart. When you select the 15-minute chart, you can simply see that there was low, there was a consolidation phase, then there was high, and then it again decreased, but it decreased below what it was earlier, means the decrease rate has reduced. So it has increased and then again decreased, and then increased, again decreased. So the decrease rate is comparatively lower than the earlier decreases, which means it's creating higher highs. So it's again showing an upward trend. And if I choose, let's suppose, a 1-day chart, then in the case of 1-day chart, you can simply see that it has increased and then decreased, and then increased and comparatively decreased lesser. But now if you see, it has increased and it has decreased more as compared to what it has decreased earlier. So in this situation, the trend is misleading or misguiding. So a particular trend cannot be established at this moment. But what if you choose a frame of 1 week or 1 month for this company for long term? Then definitely you can see it has created higher highs, and definitely it can be taken for the long term perspective. So you have to read and understand that whenever a share has increasing or decreasing, then comparatively how much as compared to previous increase or decreased it has increased. This thing should be in your mind all the time while reading any of the charts.